If you want to know how to download Photopea on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to install Photopea on your computer so you can open it like an app instead of using it only in the browser. This is a great option if you edit photos often and want faster access, a cleaner workspace, and a more app-like experience on your Windows PC. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Brave. Then go to photopea.com. Once the Photopea website loads, you'll see the editor interface right in your browser. Now look at the top navigation menu inside Photopea and click More. From the drop-down menu, select Install Photopea. After that, your browser will show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to install the app. Simply click Install and Photopea will be added to your PC as a web app. If you don't see the install option inside Photopea, don't worry, because there is another method you can use directly from your browser. This is especially useful in Chrome, Brave, or Microsoft Edge. In Google Chrome or Brave, look to the right side of the address bar at the top. You should see an install icon that looks like a monitor with a small download arrow or sometimes a plus symbol. Click that icon and then confirm the installation when prompted. In Microsoft Edge, look at the right side of the address bar for the App Available button, which usually looks like 3 squares with a plus sign. Click it, then choose Install. Once installed, Photopea will open like a separate app on your PC, making it easier to access whenever you need it. You can usually find it in your Start menu, on your desktop, or in your browser's app list, depending on the browser you used. And the best part is that you are not installing a heavy program because Photopea runs as a lightweight web app. That means you still get the benefits of quick access without taking up a lot of space on your computer. If you ever want to remove it later, you can uninstall it just like any other app from your browser or system apps settings. So now you know both ways to download Photopea on PC, either from inside Photopea itself or through your browser's built-in install option. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.